Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Coriander tokku. Coriander comes under the leafy green vegetable. If you add this in your food, it will reduce thyroid issues and also improves immunity. Let's see the preparation. Wash one bunch of coriander leaves and keep it ready. Add 5 red chilies. Put these two ingredients in a mixie jar, add little water and grind it. Soak tamarind in a water for 10 minutes. Add 2 spoons of sesame oil and heat it. Add mustard seeds once it gets heated up. Add 1 spoon of chana dal, 20 peanuts, 3 pinch of hing. Adding sesame oil and mustard seeds is good for joint pains. Adding chana dal and peanut is for crunchy taste. Add chopped coriander. When you mix this tokku with rice, these ingredients will be awesome to eat. Now add grounded coriander paste and mix it very well. Add half spoon of salt for taste. Add quarter spoon of turmeric. After 2 minutes of cooking, you will get the bubble like this. Now add 20 garlic, which reduces gastric issue. Just cook it for 2 minutes. You will see the bubble like this. Add 2 cups of tamarind water. Tamarind helps tokku to keep for longer days and also it will give tangy taste. Close the pan with lid and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of cooking, take the lid, the oil separates. See here. But still we have a watery content, it has to reduce. So again close the lid and cook for another 3 minutes. Take the lid after 3 minutes. Now you could see the thick consistency and garlic also cooked. Finally add half spoon of fenugreek powder. Mix it well and switch off the flame. If you cook this with fenugreek powder, it will give bitter taste. So don't cook with fenugreek powder, just switch off the flame. Now our tasty coriander tokku is ready. Whenever we are doing tokku or pickle, we have to store it in a glass bowl. The glass bowl should be dry enough so that it can be used for many days. Keep this in fridge. Whenever needed, take this and mix it with rice. The taste will be awesome and it is also can be used as lunchbox recipe. Thank you.